Hello, our lesson for today is greetings in Igbo. I'll be teaching you different greetings, simple greetings in Igbo language. How to say good morning in Igbo language, how to say good afternoon in Igbo language, and so on. Taa, achọrọ m ịkụzi unu ekele na Igbo. Ngwanụ ka anyị bido. Good morning. Good morning in Igbo means Ibolachi or Ụtụtụ ọma. So you can say Ibolachi or Ụtụtụ ọma. For example, if you want to greet your friend, you can say Ụtụtụ ọma enyi m or Ụtụtụ ọma di m for your husband. So good morning, Ibolachi maọbụ Ụtụtụ ọma. Good afternoon. Good afternoon bụ ehihie ọma na Igbo. Good afternoon in Igbo language means ehihie ọma. Ehihie ọma. Ehihie ọma nwanne m. Good afternoon my sister or my brother. Ehihie ọma. Good night. Kachifo. So if you want to greet someone good night in Igbo language, you can simply say Kachifo. Kachifo, and the person is going to reply Koobo. Kachifo, good night. Kachifo. How are you? How are you? Kedu. You can say Kedu. Kedu means how are you? Or Kedu ka ime. How are you? Kedu ka ime. How are you? Kedu ka ime. And the reply is I am fine. Ọ dị mma. I am fine. Ọ dị mma. Well done. Well done. Jisie ike maọbụ ndeewo. Jisie ike maọbụ ndeewo. So when you want to greet someone working, you can say jisie ike. Jisie ike nna or ndeewo maọbụ ndeewo. Jisie ike, well done, or ndeewo, well done. Welcome in Igbo means nnọọ. Welcome, nnọọ. Nnọọnụ ndị nke m, welcome my people. Nnọọ nna anyị, welcome our father. Nnọọ. Nnọọ means welcome. Nnọọ. Thank you. Thank you. Dalu. Dalu. Thank you in Igbo language is Dalu. Dalu nwa m. Thank you my child or my baby. Dalu. Dalu means thank you. Dalu. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Kindly support us by subscribing to this channel, Igbo Language Simplified. Thank you. Dalu.